you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
I'm sure, pagkatapos ng eleksyon, manalo man matalo si Arjo Atayde at talagang magpapahinga ito dahil sobrang pagod yung ginagawa niya. Dahil makikita mo sa Facebook page niya na talagang halos araw-araw ay iniikot niya ang District 1 sa Quezon City. Ang swerte ng tiga District 1 Quezon City pag siya ang naging congressman nila dahil alam mong hindi tiwaling tao, napaka-straight na tao, kaya swerte ang tiga Quezon City pag siya ang naging congressman nila. Share ko lang yung napanood ko na vlog ni Kim Chiu and Sia na tinanong sila ng kanilang mga fans na kung nag-I love you ba daw si Kim Chiu sa kanya at kung bakit hindi sa PDA pag nasa labas. Yung public display of affection, ang sabi na lang nila ay hindi daw kasi sila ganon. At hanggang ngayon ay maraming hindi naniniwala na sila ay mag-boyfriend and girlfriend. Pero until now, ang tagal na nila sila pa din. Like Julia Montes and Coco Martin, marami din ang hindi naniniwala na sila ay mag-boyfriend and girlfriend. Pero hanggang ngayon sila pa rin ang magkasama. Ganon din kung bakit ko na-share si Kim Chiu and Sian dahil ganon din sina Arjo Atayde and May Mendoza. Maraming hindi naniniwala na sila ay mag-boyfriend and girlfriend. But still, sila pa din hanggang ngayon. Akalain mo, 3 years na nga sila ngayong December 21. Wala, na-share ko lang yung kung bakit ganun sila Kim Chiu. Ang Armin ay pipiliin nilang private ang kailang relasyon. Ganun din si Coco Jul and Kim C. Gusto nila private lang. Kung ano yung makita mo, yun. May pag-aamin o wala, basta yun na yun, mag-boyfriend and girlfriend sila. And that's it mga Mars. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Sana i-share ko ngayon sa inyo. Comment down below kung ano po ang reactions nyo. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell button para ma-notify ka if ever na may bago akong upload. Bye!